So very good afternoon. With the permission of Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, I start the program. I, Dr. Ravindra Pathak, on the behalf of Organization Committee and the Medicaps University, welcome you all in the closing ceremony of International Faculty Development Program on Trends in Automotive Technology. Organized by Medicaps University, India, Wollo University, Ethiopia, Galgotias University, and Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, India. Now, I welcome our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Medicaps University, Professor Dr. Dilip Patnaik. Our guest of honor, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of Medicaps University, Professor Dr. D.K. Panda. Our invited guest, Dr. S. Prabhakar from Wollo University, Ethiopia. Dr. P. Suresh, Dean Academics from Galgotia Universities. Mr. J.R. Deepak from Satyabhama University, and Dr. Nilesh Sahu, HOD Mechanical Engineering and faculty members of Medicaps University, our prominent speakers, participants for different university. I welcome you again. So at this juncture, I am pleased to introduce Medicaps University. Medicaps University as the topmost private university in the state of Madhya Pradesh of India, as per NRIF ranking, and also ranked top in the private institutes in Central India according to the Times Engineering Survey. Since its inception in July 2000, Medicaps has consistently aimed at creating an ideal ambience for budding technocrats and managers, helping them to grow like a true professionals. With its highly qualified faculty, there seems an optimal blend of academic brilliance and industry exposure, supplemented by highly specialized visiting faculty and industry experts, senior professionals from various segments of different industries and business houses. With the aim of expanding wings and move out from more exposure and widening of the periphery, the foundation of Medicaps University has been laid down in 2015. The university is maintaining the objective of imparting the best quality education. Medicaps is offering UG, PG, and PhD programs in engineering, management, science, pharmacy, agriculture, computer application, and commerce. Our academic curriculum is prepared to enable the students to face the challenges in industry with the application of knowledge gained during the program of the study. To achieve this, it is important that the faculties and students are exposed to ongoing research, latest technological development, and industry practice in their particular domain. And the Office of International Affairs and the various departments like Department of Mechanical Engineering working in this area. So thank you very much. At the opening session, as hoped, we would learn new ideas from the experts, which we could adopt to further improve our intellectual strength. I know that there have been many interesting and useful presentations this week. I believe many good experiences have been shared and good lessons learned. So firstly, I want to invite our key persons, our participants for the feedback. So first of all, I am inviting our participants for feedback. So please raise your hand. Travis, sir. Travis, sir, he's from Ethiopia.
Sir, Tedros and Burchala. Yeah. Tedros, yeah. You can proceed.
Yeah, Tedros, you can.
Is that audible?
Tedros, if possible, you can on your video, Tedros, if possible.
Okay, is it audible, my voice?
Yeah, you're
audible.
Okay, I want to thank you for giving this chance for giving feedback. Also, I want to say thank you for those university jointly deliver this trend in automotive technology, which is Wollo University, mid campus university in India, Santa University of Science and Technology in India, and Golgotha University in India. We'd like to say thank you for delivering such session for our neurology. And also, I would like to say thank you for those facilitating this session. And also, I would like to say thank you for the chief guests, which is delivering these sessions. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your valuable training. It's very demonstrative and clear and attractive training. Thank you for giving your valuable time for us. It's so interesting course. We share knowledges, important things what we have, and it's fascinating and inciting, and we have definitely received knowledge from this session for 6 days. Thank you very much indeed. What you deliver for us. That's what I'd say for me.
Thank you very much for a nice feedback. Todd is from the Wolo University, Ethiopia. So now I wanted to just our second participants for feedback. Broshla.
Yes.
Welcome and just please give the feedback.
Okay, my name is Burchala from Ethiopia.
You can on the video.
Burchala, if possible, you can on your video also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for wonderful session. It is a nice and it is successful session. For the future, also I expect such like of it is which is the current trade is mechanical automotive industry in which is a recent topic. Also, those who have organizing, including Dr. Rivindra, also Dr. Prabhakar. Thank you and keep it for doing also for your engaging such type of topic. Also, Satyava University and those are media campus for the future also such organizing a wonderful which is in the current trends. Keep it for the future also. I would like to say it is a successful information also for those who share valuable information. Thank us. We'll expect for the future also. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So now I invite our again participant. Ganesh sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, I am Ganesh Bharati Ravikrishnan from Vinayaka Missions Research Foundation, Mechanical Department of Mechanical Engineering, Salem, India. Yes, sir. I would like to first of all I would like to thank Wolo University, Medcaps University, Satyabama University, and Golgatias University for organizing such a beautiful session for all 6 days. That too in pandemic, it is a very, very useful session for every academic personnel, and faculty development program is a very useful session. And I personally got very good information in this from this all 6 days, sir. I would like to personally thank Dr. Prabhakar Sekar for organizing all this. And at last, now Professor D.N. Agarwal, who gave his presentation on biodiesel, and it was a good one, and it was very informative from Mechanical School of Mechanical Engineering, Golgatias University, Noida. Overall, all the experts who were organized for the knowledge sharing sessions, everyone were very expertise in their own field of knowledge, and I got very informative and I got very knowledgeable information from all the sessions. And thank you, and I personally thank you for everyone, and I would like to look after for these kind of sessions in future also, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you for Sam. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
So I'm inviting one more person for feedback. So if anybody wanted to give the feedback.
Yes, myself, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Singh from ITBHU. I am very much thankful to the organizer and team as they had made me a co-host to allow the participant. That is very nice. I am doing that work as possible. I am allowing so many person, and I am feeling very much happy. Another thing that I want to consider that the 6 days this program that was very nice, and I have I have not attended so many lectures, but mostly I have attended, and I enjoyed to attend, and I have asked some questions also, and whatsoever the answer they are giving, that is okay at regarding the research that is already going on. I can't say that the person is not knowing, but despite of that, whatever the question that is raised during such type of programs, we should think on that, and we should try to solve that questions. That is our we have to think regarding that, feeling that this is the insult. That is not the insult, that is the processing and the starting of the end for the new thought also, in addition to the old thought. That we have to do. And whatever this program regarding the organizer, that the most of the lectures were very nice, and I have liked that lectures. And at last, I want to say that again, I'm thankful for making me the co-host, and thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. So, Dr. Damodar Reddy. Damodar Reddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Sir, first of all, I want to say thanks, sir, because the schedule, whatever the schedule prepared by you is very good, sir. A different, not only related to only mechanical or automobile, but is also some sessions are there which belongs to research, like IPR research methodology. In that also I asked some questions regarding the journal publication also. But unfortunately, I'm unable to get the chance to ask a question in the last Agarwal sir class. But I missed that sir, because I didn't get opportunity to ask the question, because that session was nice. Regarding CP by CV also I want to ask, but I'm unable to get the chance. Thank you, sir. Thank you for providing a good schedule, sir, especially the good schedule you prepared, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all of you. So now just we end this participation feedback, and now just we go for further. So first of all, I just would like to invite our co-organizer, and I invite Dr. S. Prabhakar. He is the Associate Professor and Motor Vehicle Stream, Wollo University, Kambolcha Institute of Technology, Ethiopia. For the closing remark and the feedback side from the organizer, Wollo University. And Dr. S. Prabhakar is also the key person, because he has played the very good role for the MOU between the Ethiopia and our Medicaps University. And he also just Galgotia University is also linked with the Ethiopia University. So due to this Prabhakar sir only, just we organize this program. So now I invite Dr. Prabhakar sir. Dr. S. Prabhakar sir. Maybe actually he is in Ethiopia, so sometimes the light and internet is getting the problem. So we will wait and just we will invite again. So now I invite from Professor and Dean from the Galgotia University for closing remark and feedback, sir. From Galgotia University. Please unmute yourself. Dr. P. Suresh, sir. Please raise your hand, sir. Or please unmute Dr. Rabindranath, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, P. Suresh, sir. Welcome,
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for welcoming me. So I am Dr. P. Suresh, Dean Academics, Galgotia University. So Galgotia University started in the year 2011. Which is in the localities in the Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So it has different programs in this engineering programs. We have the School of Business, Medical Sciences, Agriculture and Nursing, Liberal Educations, Applied Sciences, Medical Sciences, Law. And also recently we have got accredited in 3 programs: School of Mechanical Engineering, School of Computer Science Engineering, and School of Electronics and Communication Engineering. This is about our university. So I thank all the participants who have participated in this international faculty development program on trends in automotive technology. So 6 days faculty development programs. I hope so everyone got good knowledge in this recent developments in the automotive field. So I thank this organizers from Ola University, and then Ethiopia, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, then Medicap University, Indore, and Galgotia Universities who have made this event, this program, a faculty development program, as a successful one. I thank everyone. So I thank Dr. Abhinav Shah, who is the director, international collaboration, Galgotia University. And everyone, so for giving me an opportunity to say a few words about this closing remarks. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your feedback and this. And Dr. Ravindra also, he is the coordinator of this program from the Galgotia University. Thank you very much. Now, Prabhakar sir.
Sir, I joined, sir.
Yeah. So now Prabhakar sir with us. He's from Ola University. So please welcome, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. Some small internet issues there.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I
guys,
told that from Ethiopia sometimes problem of internet and electricity. So please, sir, please continue.
Yeah, that is the main problem, actually. Okay, thank you, sir. Today, I feel very proud and honored to share my closing remark and feedback about this event. International Faculty Development Program on Trends in Automotive Technology, which is jointly organized by Ola University, Kumbalcha, Medicaps University, Indore, India, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, India, and Galtos University, Greater Noida, India, for 6 days was a very new experience for all our Ola University faculties. Thank you, sir. This is the first time our Ola University Kumbalcha Institute of Technology, Ethiopia, is collaborating with top Indian 3 universities at the same time in organizing one such wonderful event. I take this opportunity to show my hearty gratitude to all my co-facilitators, Dr. Ravindra Padak, Professor in Charge, Office of International Affairs, Medicaps University, Dr. Rabindranath Shah, Director, International Collaboration, Galtos University, Greater Noida, India, and Mr. J.R. Deepak, Assistant Professor, School of Mechanical Engineering, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, India. Thank you, sir, who have been working with me since the beginning of the planning stage, and they're still here today, and I truly appreciate all your dedication, sir. Thank you for that. More than 200 to 300 participants for this event shows that how successful the event was. So I want to thank all the participants. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Similarly, the way I feel today of achieving something great, that more than many participants, more than 200 to 300 participants, they attended today all the events. Actually, average more than 300 participants, they attended all the events. Also, I want to thank all our well-wishers of the event. I would like to share a few suggestions which we can implement in future about the feedback. So we can try collaborating with the different colleges in different university, as it is only Ethiopia and India this time. So this really make us visible to other countries, and also we can enhance our contact. Online is the best platform because of the pandemic period to bring this more people together, and we should always make best use of to develop ourselves. Last, I would like to thank our entire resource persons from all the universities. Without them, the event wouldn't be a successful one. So I want to personally thank all the participants for this, and I want to thank all the chief guests for this event, and I want to thank all the facilitators for this event. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. And I'm also thankful to Dr. Asman Ayallu. He's the research director in Bondo University and played a very good role into this program. So thank you very much, Prabhakar, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So now in this series, I invite Mr. J.R. Deepak from the Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, India, deemed university, from the closing remarks. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm J.R. Deepak from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology was established in the year 1987. And it is almost 32 years of establishment. And now I'm happy.
So if possible, you can on your video, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, so we are happy that last Monday, 5 of our department has been accredited with NAC A. So all our 5 departments: mechanical, aeronautical, EEE, CSE, and ECE. So 5 core departments has been accredited, and so we are happy to announce that. And at this note, I would like to thank first and foremost the Almighty God for giving us knowledge, strength, and capability to do such a wonderful program in collaboration with all the collaborating universities. And my wholehearted thanks to our beloved founder chancellor, Colonel Dr. JPR, and I'm so grateful to our chancellor, Dr. Maria Zina Johnson, and our president, sir, Dr. Maria Johnson, who was with us for all the way through the program. And a very special thanks to the Vice Chancellor of Satyabama University, Dr. Sasi Prabha ma'am, who was the key person to initiate the MOU between Satyabama University and Volo University. Thereby, we got in touch with Dr. Prabhakar sir. Sir knows. And I would like to thank my sincere thanks to our Dean, Dr. S. Prakash, for his support and encouragement. And I would also like to thank the chief guest, Professor Dr. Dilip Kumar Patnaik, Vice Chancellor of Medicap University, for joining us with this in this closing ceremony. And guest of honor, Professor Dr. Debendra K. Panda, Pro Vice Chancellor, Medicap University, and my fellow colleagues, Dr. S. Prabhakar sir from Volo University, Dr. Pawan sir from Galgotas University, and Ravindra Pathak sir from the Medicaps University. It was nice working with you all. And to bring a note that there were 12 speakers, 6 days, and more than 300 participants. And it was really something very interesting for the last 6 days happening through this online FDP program. So at this juncture, I would also thank our coordinator, once again, our coordinator, Ravindra Pathak sir, for organizing this event in a very well manner. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the participants who have very actively participated and raised a lot of questions and made this session a very wonderful event. My sincere thanks to everyone, and please be patient for some more time, and we'll be having our closing session within few minutes. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Deepak sir. Thank you for supporting and co-organizing this event. Thank you very much, sir. So now I invite our guest of honor, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor Dr. D.K. Panda, sir. D.K. Panda, sir, was born in Orissa in 1970. He graduated from Utkal University in 1992 and became an associate member of IET New Delhi in 1997. He did his ME in Digital System and Instrumentation from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, West Bengal, in the year of 2003. He has obtained his PhD from the Electrical and Electronics Communication Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur, in 2010. He joined as a lecturer in the Department of Electronics and Communication of JIS College of Engineering, Kalyani, in 2003. He joined College of Engineering and Management, Kolaghat, as a lecturer in the 2005. Worked as an associate professor in prestigious VIT University, Vellore, and also worked in the Gautam Buddha University, Greater Noida. Currently, he is working as a Pro Vice Chancellor of Medicaps University, Indore. He has published more than 50 publications in international journals and conferences. He has 2 patents to his credits, and his research interests are the numerical techniques in electromagnetics, waveguide, power dividers, antenna, beam forming technology, and low power VL SI circuits. So now I just welcome our Pro Vice Chancellor, sir. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to all. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Dilip K. Patnaik, and the distinguished guests like Dr. Pawan K.C. from Galgotia University, Dr. A.S. Prabhakar from Ollo University, and Mr. J.R. Deepak from Satyabhama University. As the Medicaps University is going to develop its university status in year 2016, it has spread its wings in different divisions, and in engineering as well as the management, agriculture, pharmacy, and so on. We have near about 23 programs we are conducting this type, and having the near about 7,000 students, and all time we are striving for the quality, and it is the thing that we sustain our name in Central India. Most of time we are making the collaboration with the different universities, and it is Dr. Ravindra Pathak, who is in charge of this international affairs, is taking care of all the MOUs with the foreign universities and the foreign institutions. And the thing is, this FDP program is very interesting to all the fraternity of mechanical engineering and automobile engineering, that to be the automotive technology. And most of time we are thinking about the automobile engineering is going to be a very hot stream in the side of mechanical engineering, because every step we required a vehicle for our day-to-day need to move from one point to another point. So the automotive technology is now going to be very taking its shape in a different side, mostly the electrical vehicles. So the hybrid model of electrical vehicles now is going to be a challenging things to the all automotive engineers, and it is a very good thing that after some days we should not depend upon the only your fuels. We may go for the solar energy, because till date we are not using the solar top to make the vehicle run with the stored energy. So afterwards it is going to be a very useful one when we are going to the solar cell to recharge our battery, that which can move the electrical vehicles, and it is going to be very pollution free, and our atmosphere is going to be a very good to breathe, because due to the emission, carbon emission, now we are facing lot of problem. So I hope that you, all the participants from different parts of the countries has gained lot of knowledge regarding the automotive technologies, and afterwards the speaker have given their time and their energy to make the people learn, and it is going to be a very useful one for all the participants. I hope that each and every person who have participated in this particular program has already gained their knowledge, and they will grab all the required strength or required skills due to this particular FDP. I hope in future Medicaps University is also lend its hand for all type of collaboration, all type of work that is needed for the development of the society. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational word. And Dr. Panda, sir, as a dean, also supported the various departments for different type of research activities and all these things. And this is the token of love from the Vollo University. Thanks for your support, Dr. Devin, sir. And thank you very much. Now, invite.
Thank you, sir.
And this is a token of love from the Vollo University. Prabhakar, sir, I shared this. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Now I invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor Dilip Kumar Patnaik, sir. He is Professor Dilip Kumar Patnaik, Vice Chancellor, Medicaps University, is an able and versatile administrator. He hold as a unique profile which is rarely seen in professionals in educational sector. He holds a PhD in oceanography, MPhil in marine chemistry, and MSc in meteorology and BSc in maths, as well an MBA and a LLB. He has more than 30 years of experience in planning, developing, and establishing professional and technical universities. Previously, he was Pro-Vice Chancellor of Sage University, Indore, Vice Chancellor of Mandsaur University, and he also worked in the capacity of Vice Chancellor of Taxila American University, Georgetown, and Registrar of IIT Kanpur, Registrar of Thapar University, Patiala, and Registrar and Head of Training and Placement with Synergy Institute, Odisha. Professor Patnaik is one of those leaders who also naturally serves as an inspiring mentor for the whole staff and students. With a background in science, law, and management, and years of worth of experience as an academic administrator and educator, Professor Patnaik, sir, exhibits strong interpersonal skills and a unique capacity for empathy. His end-to-end knowledge in quality assurance in higher education most notably translates in his ability to motivate a team to care about its work and be invested in the success of university. He is an expert in higher education strategy and policy. Besides an exemplary administrator, he is an expert in hydrology and remote sensing. He has a vast experience in academic administration, liaison with government and regulatory bodies. He is an accomplished higher education strategy expert. So that is our honor that Vice Chancellor sir given the time for this session. Thank you very much, sir. Please welcome, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ravindra Pathak. Thank you for your so sweet and kind words. Dr. S. Prabhakar, the coordinator from Vollo University. Dr. Ashaman Aleyu from the Vollo University. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Galgotia, Dr. Preeti Bajas. Dr. Venkatesh Babu, Pro Vice Chancellor of Galgotia. Dr. Ravindranath Shah, the coordinator from Galgotia. Dr. Preeti Shashadri, the Honorable Director, International Relations of Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to University. Mr. J.R. Deepak, coordinator. And Mr. Devendra Gope, Pioneers India Private Limited. Dr. D.K. Panda, Pro Vice Chancellor. And my dear Dr. Ravindra Pathak. Good afternoon to you all. I'm sure this last 6 days you must have enjoyed. And this 6 days must be a lot of learning. 4 different universities, 1 corporate sector, 12 speakers, and so many statistics to which make it a really glorious one. This is a very informative one. International Faculty Development Program Trends and Automotive Technology, what you say, and Dr. Panda also mentioned. The next development lies on this automotive sector only. This is the vehicle for the development, which takes any nation or any economy to the next level. So that is why it is most important. Probably this is not my topic, and I'm not properly placed to talk about much about this automation industries. But one thing I can say, this corona, this havoc has snatched many of good things from us. The physical interaction, all these seminars and the international conferences become very handy now. We have become to this online, and it will become easy and accessible also. At one platform, more than 300 the participants, 4 or 5 institutions coming together, exchanging and interchanging ideas. It is a good thing. It is an, I will say, for the academic interaction, this is an opportunity. But at the same time, we are missing something. That is the academic networking probably we are missing. During this time of your interaction or conferences, there will be the break, what we call the interactive sessions, we are unable to meet each other. So I request here all these coordinators and also the organizers, why not we create a glossary of all these participants and exchange with each other, so that only this 6 days learning should not be confined to them or 1 or 2 speakers or 1 or 2 university. Why not this inter-exchange of all these faculty members? That can take this energy and this learning dissipate to the greater level, and horizontal growth of this knowledge will also occur. This is one thing. And second thing, I can assure from the Medicaps University, we are very open, and let us not stop this after completion of this FDP program. We should not close this year. Let us take it to the next level, what I say. So we will keep the doors of all the university open for exchanging of ideas. It may be for some sort of your research or intensive, or some of these small programs, or the faculty visit and faculty training also, or mentorship also. And the participants here also, they can visit also these universities after this, either physically or also virtually, and find some of their guides and mentors there, which will be also benefited from them. So this is a very good effort, I must appreciate. And the 6 long days also learning of it is a quite big one. And the participants, hats off to all the participants. And my special thanks to all these organizers, universities, and the corporate sector. And here, one thing more I want to add. We are quite open for this. Our Pro Vice Chancellor also mentioned that we welcome all the participants who are attending here. They may directly write to Dr. Pathak or to Dr. Panda, Pro Vice Chancellor, for any sort of research or research-related things or information, either in type of this physical mode or the data exchanges, etc. We are quite open, and similar things also I am expecting from other 2 or 3 universities. So furthermore, I would like to thank all the presenters and participants who have joined this FDP program from India and Ethiopia. And I'm certain that every speaker must have shared their ideas. And with this thing, I want to close my remarks and officially announce this International Faculty Development Program on Trends in Automotive Technology as an end of this. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So this is we are truly humbled by your numerous insightful appreciation for this FDP, and just we will keep your suggestion with our mind, and just we will try to implement this. Thank you very much, sir. And now I invite. Thank you very much, sir. So now I invite the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Nilesh Kumar Sahu, sir, for vote of thanks, because that is the Department of Mechanical was the co-organizer, and most of the faculty are just as a part as a speaker in this event. So I invite Nilesh Kumar Sahu, sir, for the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ravin Pathak. Respected and our most distinguished chief guest of the day, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. D.K. Patnaik. Respected guest of honor, Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. D.K. Panda. Honorable Professor, University, Dr. S. Prabhakar, Coordinator, Dr. S.M.N. Alai, Research Director from Bolu University. And from Galgotia University, Noida, Dr. P. Suresh, Dr. Pawan Kumar Singh, Nain, Dr. Preeti Bajaj, Ma'am, Vice Chancellor. And from the Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, Dr. Preeti Sayadri, Director International Relations, and Mr. J.R. Deepak, who was the coordinator of this event. And my dear colleagues, so I deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this event, International FDP on Automotive Industries, such a resounding success. First of all, I would like to propose hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor D.K. Patnaik, for gracing today's seminar. Thank you, sir, for your very interesting and thoughtful, provoking address. I would also like to express our profound gratitude to our Pro-Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.K. Panda, for his presence in this seminar. I would like to thank our distinguished speaker from co-organizing university like Galgotia University, Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, Bole University, Ethiopia, and our Medicaps University for making excellent presentation and making this seminar interesting and meaningful. And speakers from all these universities I'm very thankful to them. I would also like to thank the registrar of our Medicaps University for his moral supports and guidance. And I'm happy to express my vote of thanks to our staff members who have made this seminar a grand success. During the seminar, we have conducted a variety of events related to recent trends in automotive industries. I thank all the people who have participated overwhelmingly and making the event success. So I would like to thank the coordinator of all coordinator of the event for making this seminar a great success. Once again, we are also grateful to our sponsoring organization, Bole University, Ethiopia, Galgotia University, Noida, and Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, India. So thank you very much, everyone, for making this event a very successful. In future, we also conduct more such events from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I also thanks to our faculty from the department who participated as a presenter in this event. Finally, the wonderful students or participants who have turned up in such a great number, not only from our university and from the other university also. Thank you so much for your cooperation. And once again, I thank all the coordinators for making this event a successful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. And for the information, this feedback link is in the chat box. Please fill this. And with the permission of Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, we just end of this closing ceremony. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Carry on, please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one announcement for the participants. The feedback link will be active only for 1 hour. After that, it will get deactivated. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all.
Okay. Thank you.